Alright, so welcome back guys, this is Red and welcome sa ating new episode for today. And of course guys, welcome sa new episode for today. Of course, Cabal's official channel, this is Red. And of course, mga bang viewers dyan, don't forget to like and share and subscribe sa Cabal's official channel. And sa mga susunod na videos na gagawin natin para ma-update po kayo, don't forget to hit the notifications bell below. Okay? So, ganun na po siya kasimple. So, what are you waiting for? Join us right now. Okay, so overview muna tayo sa topic natin ngayon guys. You know what guys? Ang gagawin nyo lang dito is mag-chat live support lang po kayo. Okay? So, kita nyo naman sa screen, di ba? The chat shop. Okay? So, i-further do ko po yung mga different sites na meron tayo ngayon and hopefully makatulong po sa inyo. Okay? So, overview for the topic is ano siya guys. Actually, kung merong mga kasi more ngayon is AI na, di ba? So, this kind of project guys is all about chat support and of course, yung pagiging chat support na back end nyo, dun kayo papasok. Kunyari may nakita kayong ganito, okay? So, yung mga website na malalaking website, e-commerce, di kaya mga services, di ba? Pag malaki na mga agencies, so usually hindi na sila gumagamit ng customer service niya na via call kasi mas madami silang serve pag chat lang, okay? Kasi pag call isang tao lang, di ba? So unless pag chat support madami yung chat, madaming clients sa isang tao cater. Unlike pag isang tao lang na tumatawag, customer service isa lang, okay? So definitely we'll go through to the process guys. And what you need to do right now guys is all you need to do is Gmail at PayPal and that's it. Okay, so the chat shop guys is actually based on UK. Okay, so this is actually what I'm mentioning for. So this kind of site, kita nyo naman meron siyang gilid, diba? So dito kayo papasok, kunyari magcha-chat kayo dyan. Okay, so start chat. Dito kayo papasok guys. So ito yung magiging trabaho nyo as Pamela Online Chat Agent. Okay, so dyan kayo papasok bilang isang chat support. That's the same with other website also that ano natin, i-elaborate. Okay, so ito yung magiging trabaho nyo. Kung anong mga clients na siniserve nila, okay? So, definitely, ipapasa kayo niyan with the other company. So, nag-reply na yung chat, okay? So, yan yung magiging trabaho nyo. So, chat support and chat agent for these websites and then babayaran na kayo ng pera. Okay, so tingnan nyo yung reply niya. I appreciate that you're taking time to chat with me with live to assist you. Are you looking for live chat solution or websites for you? Live solution at your website? Or are you considering career with us? Okay? Or two things na kailangan nyo i-ano dito guys. Okay? So, the chat shop is meron siyang actually it's an agency guys na kumaga nag-ano sila nag-hire ng mga tao para magtrabaho for their website and para din magtrabaho for their client. Okay? So, dalawa po siya. So, depende, pipili lang kayo dyan. And of course, what you need to do right now, guys, is we will see the companies that they're serving for. So, these are the companies sa kanila. Yan, Rivalvale, Says, Smith, Accountancy, Diamond Store. Malalaking company po yan, guys. Okay? So, this is the ano na ngayon guys, yung magiging trend, di ba? So, sa customer service, konti-konti lang sa isang company para nililimitahan na nila ng customer service. That is why they're hiring robot or AI na kunyari magchat-chat dito. And parehas lang yan sa Globe tsaka Smart, di ba? Nagchat-chat kayo with this one tapos robot yung ano. That's the same here guys. Merong tao pero napakatagal para mag-reply. Okay? Kasi malit lang yung gina-hard nila. Pag malit yung taong gina-hard nila, malit yung pinapasahura nila. Okay? So, yan yung technology ngayon guys. Kaya iwas-iwas na kayo na maging employee mindset dyan. Kasi um, AI is dominant for the technology right now. So, they're replacing jobs for the human. So, even autopilot or yung paglipad ng eroplano, helicopter, pag-drive ng mga kotse, may pina-process na po yung mga company na malalaki na AI na para hindi na sila mag-hire ng mga drivers or captain na binabayaran ng company na mas mahal. Okay, so 'pag AI kasi mas makakamura yung company. So, parang gano'n. So, in the future mare-replace na yung mga jobs ng human to robot, okay? So, kung bago pa kayo dito, of course, isip-isip na tayo, okay? So, that's it. So, that's what live AI support is exist. Kung gusto niyo dito magtrabaho sa the chat shop, guys, click niyo yung careers and then dedirekta kayo dito. And then this is the family of the chat shop and then the job openings. This is the opening first. It's fully remote, guys. Pwede kayo makapag-apply dito. And make sure that you have a background experience for live chat, live support, and then you're good to go with this one. Okay. So another one as well. We have the new company. We have the support.com. That's the same with AI or it's the same with chat support, guys. All you need to do is just chat. Okay. So much better also pag dalawa yung PC nyo, guys, kasi siyempre 'pag madaming ka-chat, madaming chat support, madaming mas maganda yung dalawang monitor na meron kayo sa harapan niyo, okey? So, mas makakapag-render kayo ng mas magandang services. Okay, so what you need to do is also click careers with this support.com and then didirekta kayo dito. Search for openings and of course, dito didiretso yung mga opening na careers for you all, guys. Okay? So, pag nandito na kayo, diretso pwede na kayo mag-apply dito. Okay? So, this is support.com, guys. Kita nyo support.com. Ito yung mga career site na meron silang available for today. Let's try to see kung alon. Oh, yan. Meron madami siya, guys. Oh, Philippines. Kita nyo naman, Philippines. Nandito na HR Payroll System Analyst, Remote Service Technician, Philippines na naman, Global Pricing Analyst, Manager. So, ano sa loob ng support.com yan, guys, sa careers nila mismo. And then, mag-apply kayo bilang isang katulad kanina na servicer, pwede naman diretso. Okay? So, that's Philippines. Ang daming Philippines kayo. 'Di ba? So, what are you waiting for? Apply na dito, madami 'yan. Kasi gusto niyo Pilipinas, ewan ko, Pilipinas kasi nagdo-dominate ngayon sa ano, guys, freelancing world. Wherever you go, Philippines talaga nandun, okay? So, the last one we have Mod Squad. Ano ba yung Mod Squad? There are two different careers path na pwede kayong mag-apply dito. Pwede kayong maging freelancer, pwede kayong mag-apply as employee with Mod Squad. What you're doing then is you're doing sa social media, sa clients nila, sa e-commerce and email management. Okay? So, kung ayaw nyo magtrabaho under Mod Squad, pwede naman kayo magtrabaho at in your own time being a freelance. Okay? You got your own time, of course, benefits as well. So, these are the benefits with Mod Squad na magtatrabaho kayo para sa kanila. We have fun working environment, flexible hours, medical benefits, full-time, that's US, and for 1K, charitable action, unlimited vacancy policy, incredible and gold. Reasons why you love working with us. Of course, we do to be a part cutting edge and fun and flexible. Okay, so this would be the brand representatives. Okay, pag sinabing remote, guys, meaning to say everyone can apply with this one. Pag sinabing isang country lang, so specifically sila meron. Okay, so remote USA. Okay. So, another one, dito kayo mag-apply bilang isang freelancer, join the mods, and you're ready to go. So, offer your services with the mod squad, guys. Make sure you have a background experience as well para meron kayong of course, mapagsiservisyuhan ng mga client dito. Okay? So, I think, let's see what mod squad has to offer with us, guys. So, sana yung meron tayong magandang loading yung internet natin ngayon, guys. Okay. So, ayun. Naglo-load na naman siya. Alright, so nakita na natin. And this will be mod squad. Okay, so yan, kita nyo, you want to learn more freelance business opportunity, click nyo lang dito yan guys. So pag click nyo, freelance po yan. Okay. Okay, so this would be the mode opportunity FAQ. What is opportunity for me? What if being a freelancer isn't my bag? Can I apply for mode and squad? Of course, kung ayaw niyo maging freelancer, pwede kayo mag-apply with mode squad. Para siyang ano guys, agency, okay? So how do I get started mode squad? It's easy. If you haven't already clicked join mode squad, our homepage, go to application form. Once you submit the form, you'll receive an email acknowledgement receipt. Okay, 72 hours. We may have project immediately fit, more likely with some. What do I need to join? You'll need already a CV and passion, enthusiasm, digital engagement, and of course, want about before is willing to apply. Okay, check our services, the sample of your work, and of course, para talaga siyang agency, guys. Okay, so on and so forth. Okay, so I think that's all that we covered for today. And of course, hopefully meron po kayo natutunan with the chat live opportunities online. Of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Kabbalah's official channel. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye.